What's up everybody? Today I want to introduce you to the brand new workshop. So I haven't quite moved in here all the way. I have a bunch of stuff in my truck there that I'm loading in here. I have my work table here in the center. I think I'm going to push it back to the wall. I have no idea how I'm going to lay this out quite yet, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like before. What I really love about this is everything is bare, right? So you can see all the wires to all these lights. So it's going to be really easy to run some workshop lights, or I don't know, I might make this some kind of like modern workshop and do LED strips throughout here. It's a blank canvas, although it's being filled up with a bunch of junk right now. So it'll be a work in progress, but I'm going to get started on it today, at least organizing some of this and getting it ready. It's been a while since I've been loading onto YouTube, but I'm back. I don't know what I'm going to brand myself. I don't know if I'm staying with Bat City or who knows, right? Because I'm in a new state. If you didn't know that, I'm in North Carolina now. I'm no longer in Austin, so Bat City doesn't really relate. We'll see what happens. Just wanted to give you a really quick update. Guys, make sure you're subscribed so you follow along with all of these projects I'm doing. I have so much content coming out from the old house that we just sold and a ton of projects on this brand new house. Let me give you a little glimpse of what we have here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a new house there. It's kind of overlooking a lake in front of it. Beautiful, beautiful house, really good bones, but it does need a lot of little work. All the bathrooms redone, which seems to be all I do these days. Again, subscribe, follow along. There's going to be some really awesome stuff coming out. Thanks for watching this update. I'll see y'all really soon.